Is Propstream the secret weapon you need to crush your real estate wholesaling goals, or just another expense that might lead you astray? Today, we're diving deep into Propstream, that popular Al-Anon real estate data and marketing platform, and asking the crucial question, do you actually need it to find and analyze wholesale deals? Propstream promises to revolutionize your wholesaling business by providing access to vast amounts of property data, including owner information, property details, estimated values, and even comparable sales. Its marketing capabilities allow you to generate lists of potential motivated sellers and even send out direct mail campaigns directly from the platform. The allure is undeniable, streamlining your search for off-market deals, quickly analyzing potential profitability, and efficiently reaching out to sellers. But here's the reality check. Is this level of powerful data and integrated marketing truly essential for success? Or are there viable alternatives? Many successful wholesalers have built empires on savvy negotiation, strong networking with real estate agents and investors, and diligent manual research using public records and county assessor websites. These methods, while more time-consuming, can significantly reduce overhead. So let's break down the cost versus the potential benefits. Propstream comes with a monthly subscription fee for newer wholesalers with tight budgets. This can feel like a significant hurdle, however. If you can leverage its data to consistently find and close more profitable deals, the investment could pay for itself many times over. The core question isn't whether Propstream can help, but whether its features are essential for your specific wholesaling journey, budget, and skill set. If you're struggling to find motivated sellers or analyze deals efficiently, Propstream might be the powerful tool you need. But if you're already mastering alternative methods, it might be an unnecessary expense. Ultimately, the decision to invest in Propstream, or any tool for that matter, should be based on a thorough evaluation of your current resources and your ultimate wholesaling objectives. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below.